South China Morning Post, 18th of November 2023. With its new president, who is close with China and sponsored, the Maldives anticipates increased investment as Beijing tries to seize the opportunity. China has supported a prime minister in the Maldives who leans Chinese, and he expects China to foot the price if the leaning needs to continue as part of China's all-out attack on the Indian subcontinent. After hosting a Chinese special envoy this week, the Maldives anticipates further Chinese investment in energy infrastructure and tourism facilities, a Maldivian ambassador stated as the nation installed a president who is close with Beijing. Honorary vice-consul Vijay Harilela of Hong Kong told the Post on Thursday that renewable energy would be high on the investment agenda for the tiny archipelagic nation. This popular tourist destination is racing against time to meet a low-pollution objective. Rising sea levels also threaten parts of the Maldives, so an artificial island is being built north of the city. The Maldives hopes to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. Therefore, further cooperation in renewable energy projects may be possible, according to Harilela. The development of solar and wind energy projects in the Maldives can benefit from China's expertise in renewable energy technologies. China hopes to expedite trade lines and create infrastructure in numerous nations by promoting renewable energy projects as part of its high-interest, high-debt Belt and Road initiatives. According to Harilela, the Maldives would present Chinese investors with further opportunities in the areas of water sports, ecotourism, hotel resort development, and travel agencies. Investment opportunities have been highly sought after, especially in the tourism and hospitality sectors, he stated. With more and more Chinese travelers visiting the nation, the Maldives is a very alluring travel destination, which has significantly decreased since COVID-19 was discovered. The vice-consul stated that China is highly likely to be the most significant source of arrivals in the Maldives in 2020, with 284,000 Chinese visitors coming to the island nation in 2019. Foreign investment is welcome in the real estate, transportation, logistics, agriculture, and fishing industries, according to Harilela. Chinese customs statistics show that between 2020 and 2022, China's total shipments to the Maldives increased by 59%, totaling $438.5 million. State Councilor Chen Yiqin, President Xi Jinping's special envoy, landed in the Maldives on Wednesday in preparation for Mohamed Mutsou's Friday inauguration. Given its vital location along Indian Ocean oil and gas shipping routes, Alexander Vuving, a professor at the Daniel K. Inouye Asia-Pacific Center for Security Studies in Hawaii, predicted that Beijing will welcome the change in leadership and possibly increase investments. China and India have been engaged in strategic competition in the Maldives, according to Vuving. China has been anticipating this day for some time. The moment has come to take advantage of the election opportunity. Earlier this month, Mutsou declared he will continue to work together with both. Compared to his India-leaning predecessor, Ibrahim Mohamed Solih, Mutsou is thought to be more pro-China. According to Harilela, China has already provided invaluable assistance through a bridge, an extension of the international airport, housing developments, and desalination plants that produce clean water. However, Denny Roy, a senior scholar at the East-West Center think tank in Hawaii, warned that as China continues to work with the Maldives, it might run into high debt levels that could jeopardize additional lending. In 2021, the Maldives' debt to China amounted to 29% of its gross domestic product, according to the data aggregator Statista. India continues to be a more important economic and security partner than China. Still, Roy noted that China's move to increase investment is projected to have no positive effects on the Maldives and further ensnare the country in a Chinese debt trap. The money is expected to end up in the Silk Road Fund and China's two central development banks, the Export-Import Bank of China and the China Development Bank.